On Draw Stuff Real Easy today, I'm going to show you how to draw a kind of a robot crab claw. And I want to start somewhere over here and draw a nice curve like that. And then you want to go from this point here, we're going to go zig, zag, zig, zag, zig, zag, zig, zag. Now this is where it gets a bit more tricky. So we're going to draw a line coming out there and a line coming out there, and then join them together with an ellipse at the end, which is just two curves that sort of meet at each point at the end. Now follow this line across to there, carry on down there, follow that one to there, carry on down there, and go like that. So now it's actually going to be holding a stick. Okay, so now from here we're going to want to do another curve that's going to come out to about there. We'll do zig, zag, zig, zig, zag, zig. And we want a bit of 3D here, so I'm going to put a little bit of a curve like that, and then we can do a bit there, out and back and out like that, so we get a kind of a 3D feel to the claw. Now we'll make this really easy. So this is the little bit that holds it all together. Put a little curve like that, and then we want a kind of a wavy robot arm that's going to be coming away like that, and then we'll put these little curves in there, so that's the kind of the articulation, that's the word we're looking for, articulation for the robot arm. So it's kind of a long spindly thing, isn't it? And we can maybe put some shading just in there, very, very simply like that, and we'll want a bit more like that, so it's just slightly curved like that. We're certainly going to want a bit of shading in there, or maybe a bit in there, and maybe a bit of shading underneath there. And you could just put a little bit of shading with some kind of dots. 1, 2, 3. Put kind of about 3 dots on the side like that, coming down 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, however many it works. And we can then make it look a little bit kind of metallic with those kind of lines, and then let's give it a bit of wobbly movement maybe there as well. There you go, how to draw a robot grabber hand, and have fun, invent a robot with hundreds of these things grabbing all sorts of different things. Thanks for watching, and make sure you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy and keep coming back for lots more drawing videos every week. In the meantime, keep drawing, 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 practice, 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 and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye bye.